Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel, and today we're going to be making some chicken wings. Okay, we're going to be doing two flavors. We'll be doing lemon pepper and lemon pepper hot. Okay guys, so the lemon pepper is obviously for the kids, and then the lemon pepper hot is for this guy. So let's get to it. Okay, so first thing, we got about 5 pounds of chicken wings. Okay, and these came together, so I just cut them up and then washed them. For now, we're gonna go ahead and put them in this bowl. That way we can get all this seasoning in at one time. Okay, so we're gonna be using seasoned salt, some black pepper, some lemon pepper, and garlic powder. And then we're going to be using the Frank's Red Hot after the wings are done for the hot ones, okay? So we're going to go ahead and add some seasoned salt here. Okay, and I'm just going to be using my hands to just kind of mix them up a little bit. Okay, my hands are already clean, already washed. Okay, so we got the seasoned salt in. Now it's time for the black pepper. Black pepper on here, just a little bit. Okay, we're going to do the garlic powder. Give it a toss. Mix. Okay, and then we'll be adding the lemon pepper, guys. Okay, so these wings are going to taste like lemon pepper because we're going to be putting a whole bunch of it in here, guys. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and put some in. Mix lemon pepper, and bam. Okay guys, once this stuff is coated, we're gonna stick it in our air fryer. Okay, right now I'm just gonna mix it a little bit, make sure we got full coverage. Okay, and now time to put it in the air fryer. Alright guys, so we managed to put all the chicken in here. Somehow we kind of Tetrised it to where if that were like a Tetris thing, it'd make a line right there and just boop. But anyway, so that's what we got right now. And we're going to go ahead and stick it in our air fryer. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is put air fry. Our temperature is going to be 400 degrees. And our time is going to be, our time is going to be 22 minutes, guys. Okay, and then it'll tell us to flip and everything. Alright guys, once it got down to 8 minutes, it told me to go ahead and turn the food. Check this out, guys. Shoot, they already look pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and start turning them. Alright guys, we already turned it. Time to put it back in. Got about 8 minutes left, 7 minutes left. Alright guys, we're down to the final seconds. Here we go. And 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Alright, damn. Daniel, check it out guys, our wings are ready. So these are going to be the lemon pepper for the kids. Okay, I'm gonna take some of those and put with the Frank's Red Hot. Okay, and I'm gonna toss them up. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Alright guys, so we put some of our wings in here. We're gonna go ahead and put some of this Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce in here. And then we're gonna toss them up just like they do at Wingstop or whatever, okay guys? Hopefully it tastes just as good. I'm not a professional wing tosser. But who knows, maybe I could do this for a living, huh? Okay, nice and good. Damn, Daniel. And then one more finishing touch, I'll put a little bit more of the lemon pepper seasoning on it. That would be nice and lemony. If that's a word, lemony. Toss the wings, here we go. Add a little bit more. And that's what I'm talking about, guys. The hot lemon pepper, guys. Check that out. Delish. So there we have it, guys. We got our lemon pepper right here. Chicken for the kids. Then over here we got our hot buffalo lemon pepper. Hot lemon pepper, guys. And this stuff looks delish. Ready to go. Easy. Super easy. 20 minutes. Or 22 minutes and we're done. Bam. Alright guys, we got our wings and let's try them out, guys. Check this out. I'm going to try out the buffalo because that's what I'm going to eat, okay? Let's check it out. The Frank's Red Hot buffalo is good. It's not super hot, but it has really good flavor, guys. Okay, eat some with the celery and ranch. Good to go. Now please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Try out this new air fryer, man. It's really good, easy to use, and it heats up really fast. You don't have to be waiting on an oven or anything like that. It's super easy, super simple. Give it a thumbs up. See you on the next one.